look at this.
What's up guys, welcome back to part 7 of the GTR build. In this part we are going to be painting the car, and without further ado, let's get right to work. Let's go! We're driving to the paint shop right now. In the previous episode, we got all the body work done, we got all the mud, and we primered it. Right now we're gonna block the primer, that way we get a glass finish. Alright, we got the car in the booth. I'm going to move the door, move everything around, and put the car stationary where we are going to be painting it. Let's go. Everything is masked off. We're gonna wipe it down right now with some paint prep. ready to shoot. Alright guys, the car is all masked off. I wiped it down. Everything's ready. We're going to start applying sealer. And after that, we're going to put some base and clear. I'm super excited. Let's get it. Not bad for a rookie. So the gun's fat and the base coat dried out, so I blocked it with the 800. I tack clothed it and we're ready for round two. It has gone extremely late on us, but we're still grinding through the night. The base is all laid down and it's looking good so far. We're ready to start clearing. Let's get right to it. Alrighty guys, it is 1:50 a.m. and I am exhausted, but I'm officially done clearing the whole car. So take a look at all of this. Let's flip the camera. Alright, look at this. So the clear turned out to be pretty darn good. Very dirty. That is because the booth is extremely dirty. But besides that, I have not touched a paint gun in about 1.5 years, and I am very happy the way it turned out. We're gonna have to cut and buff this whole car, not only because of the dirt nibs, but also because I want it to be perfect. Come take a look at the door. I'm excited, dude. Let's get this thing together. There's a mirror. Looking good. Next day here, and we're ready to unwrap the car. The car has dried and I'm excited to see how the color matches, and let's go. Alright guys, the GTR is assembled for now. We got the door on, we got the fender on, the headlight, and we are ready to drive home. I still got to put the rear bumper on and the trunk, but that should take a couple minutes and we're ready to go home, start cutting it, start buffing it, get this thing to look like glass. Let's go! Alright guys, we just got the glass installed. The glass guys came through. I called them and they're like, yeah, we can't make it today, and they somehow appeared at my doorstep at 12 o'clock. So super excited, the glass is in. We're ready to go home, start polishing this thing and assembling it and start ripping it. Let's go. Alright guys, that is a wrap for part 7 of the GTR rebuild. We got the car at home. Everything is looking good so far. We still need a little buff. Stay tuned for the next episode. We are going to be assembling the vehicle, putting everything together, and then we're going to buff it after that. If you guys like my videos, smash that thumbs up button. I appreciate all the love, all the support, all the comments. Please subscribe, comment down below, let me know how I did, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.